Says the joke went too far, Masicka is still a major artist. He explains why Masicka would never approve a stunt like that. This message is bigger than music. Information is moving fast now. Love him or hate him, his impact is undeniable.
2026, the stars now 2026, I will like internet a laugh off of Masicka. And Gaza fans them, I make it a big problem. I troll Masicka with this thing, with this goat thing. We are go to lick him down and then drop. People are going to say goat shit pan him. One heap of something, I remember say Masicka a big artist. Regardless of no might not like the youth or nothing. Masicka is a big artist. But when boom boom them do, he never fit in. But a boom boom party, him do anything when he want for him party still. But he never work out in a Masicka favor. Because a Masicka take the party, they still not goat take a party. Because everywhere you go, you see goat. Yeah. You know, I'm going to say, them the thing there for some artists who are uprising artists, upcoming artists who want to get a viral and them something there. Masicka pass them thing the long time. You realize that Masicka never call up Tamale name on an interview on a stage or nothing. And Tamale do it everywhere and go. But at the same time, Tamale now go bring no goat on stage. I tell you. But a boom boom them man. Boom boom never know say that turn out that way there, but a boom boom make the goat come on stage. Only God alone can tell me that. I mean, I accuse boom boom, but as I say, it only makes sense.
That thing I'm watching, no more from your son. Nothing,